Hello guys, today we are making Halloween nails and here I am shaping my nails. I want it in square shape. After filing, here I am buffing with the buffer to remove the shine. Here I am removing excess dust. Apply first coat of gel polish and cure it for 30 seconds. Then apply second coat and cure it for at least 60 seconds. Here are some colors which I liked for my nail art. It is very important to cure after every step. I cure it about 30 seconds, but you can also do it for 20 seconds as well. By the way, I love making flowers and giving extra details with detailing brush. I did make some white spider webs. I didn't have any picture in my mind, so at last I thought of making spiders to give it more Halloween look. And that's it for today. You can see results in few seconds.